Hi students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to continue the previous chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Yesterday we have learnt the distance between 2, 0 and 5, 0. So here 2, 0 that is x1, 0 and 5, 0 is x2, y, 0. Then what is the distance between x1, 0 and x2, 0? That is modulus of x2 minus x1. So here what is the distance between 2, 0 and 5, 0? 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 units. And also what is the distance between 0, y1 and 0, y2? That is the modulus of y2 minus y1 units. And also we have learned the distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x1, y2 on a line parallel to y-axis. On a line parallel to y-axis is modulus of y2 minus y1. Modulus of y2 minus y1. So here you observe, here x1 it is the x1, and that means x coordinates are equal and y coordinates are different. So for example 2, 4 and 2, 1. What is the distance between 2, 4 and 2, 1? So x1 is a 2, y1 is a 4, x1 is a 2, y2 is a 1. That is the modulus of y2 minus y1. So that is a 1 modulus of 1 minus 4. That is equal to modulus of minus 3. What is the absolute value of minus 3? That is a plus 3. The absolute value of any integer is a positive number. So that is a 3 units. And also what is the distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y1 on a line parallel to x-axis. On a line parallel to x-axis is the modulus of x2 minus x1. Today we have learnt the distance between any 2 points p x1, y1 and q x2, y2. Now let's see this diagram. So in this coordinate plane, p is a 2, 1, q is a 4, 3. We are line joining this one. PQ is a line. Now PQ is how much distance from x-axis and y-axis? How much distance from x-axis and also from y-axis? So first here P 2, 1. This is a 2, 1. 2 is a x1. 2 is a x1 and 1 is a y1. So here Q x2 is a 4, y2 is a 3. So here to here how much? It is a p. So this is a how much? x1 this is. Here to what is this one? x2. So x1 is a 2, x2 is a 4. So that is a 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is a 2. So this is a 2 units. 2 units. So from y-axis how much distance? From y-axis it is p. PQ is a 2 units. And here to here this is a y1. Here to here this is a y2. So this is a y1, this is a y2. It is a y2. But now y1 is a 1, y2 is a 3. y2 is a 3. How much distance from x-axis it is? y2 minus y1. That is a 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 units. 2 units. So here to here 1, here to here 3. That is a total 3 minus 1 equal to 2 units. So from x-axis is a 2 units and also from y-axis is a 2 units. And also in the same way, you observe here the distance between any 2 points on a line in the xy plane. So let us we take any 2 points P and Q. P is x1 y1 and Q is a x2 y2. And we draw a PR and QS are perpendicular on x-axis, and draw PR and QS perpendicular from the point P, and QS is drawn to meet at the point T, So we draw a perpendicular from P to on QS, and that is a meet on QS at T. Then now P is the x1 y1. So here it is a x-axis, and x-axis it is a x1, and also here to here this is a x2 distance. So here PR is a y1, and SQ is a y2, But now what is a RS? So RS is totally x2, that is a OS minus OR. OS is a x2 minus x1, will get a RS. So RS is a x2 minus x1, that is also is equal to x2 minus x1. And so OR is equal to x1, OS is equal to x2. So RS is equal to OS minus OR, that is equal to x2 minus x1, that is also is equal to PT. PT is a x2 minus x1. And also SQ is a y2, and PR is equal to y1, that is also is equal to ST is equal to y1. But now what is the distance of QT? So QT is equal to SQ minus ST. SQ is a y2 minus ST is a y1. So that is a TQ or QT is equal to y2 minus y1. QT is equal to y2 minus y1. Now, so here form a perpendicular line. Form a perpendicular. So form a right angle. Now, from in triangle PQT, PQ is the hypotenuse, PT and QT are sides. So we are applying the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. That is a PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. So PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Now PQ is equal to, so square is we are sent to other side, will get a square root. So that is square root of PT square plus QT square. So PT value is we know. So PT is a x2 minus x1 whole square plus Q2 is a y2 minus y1. So this value is PT value and QT value we are substituting in this. So that is the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is we call as a distance formula. So what is the distance between any 2 points P? X1 y1 Q x2 y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. For example, what is the distance between 2 points? What is the distance between 2 points P? 2, 3 and Q 4, 5. So P is a x1 y1 and Q is a x2 y2. So this is the given. So what is the distance between 2 points? The distance between 2 points is equal to the distance between 2 points is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is equal to square root of, so x1 is a 2, y1 is a 3, x2 is a 4, y2 is a 5. So x2 minus x1, that is a 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is a 5 minus 3 whole square, 5 minus 3 whole square. So that is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 is a 2, that is a 2 square plus 5 minus 3 is a 2, that is a 2 square, that is equal to square root of 2 square is a 4 plus 2 square is a 4, that is equal to square root of 4 plus 4 is 8. So what is the distance between P 2, 3 and Q 4, 5? That is a square root 8 units. Square root 8 units. Now another from, what is the distance between from origin to a point P x comma y? So what are the coordinates of origin? 0, 0. So 0, 0 are coordinates of origin and P is x comma y. So what is the distance between from 0, 0 to a x comma y? So 0, suppose 0, 0 we will take a x1 y1, x comma y we will take a x2 y2. So we know that the distance between 2 points, the distance between 2 points is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to square root of x2 is a x minus x1 is a 0, x minus 0 whole square plus y2 is a y, y1 is a 0, that is a y2 minus y1, that means y minus 0, y minus 0 whole square, that is equal to square root of x minus 0 is a x square plus y minus 0 is a y, that is a y square. So what is the distance between from origin to a point x comma y? That is the square root of x square plus y square. Square root of x square plus y square. So the distance between from origin to a point is square root of x square plus y square. And what is the distance between any 2 points? So P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's go. We start the exercise 7.1. Now first one, you are find the distance between the following points. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1. So you are find the distance between 2, 3 and 4, 1. Solution. So first you take a point 2, 3 is a P, 2, 3 and Q is a 4, 1. So let P is a x1 y1, Q is a x2 y2. Well, now we know the distance between two points, that is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to square root of x2 is a 4, x1 is a 2, that is a 4 minus 2 whole square, 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is a 1, y1 is a 3, that is a 1 minus 3 whole square, 1 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 is a 2, 2 square plus 1 minus 3, that is a minus 2 whole square. So that is equal to square root of 2 square, 2 to the 4 plus minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square we can written as minus 2 into minus 2, that is equal to minus into minus plus 2 to the 4, that is a 4. Square root of 4 plus 4 is a 8. So therefore the addition between 2 points 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1 is a square root 8 units.